Yeah, here we have an ENCO 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. It appears to be unused. It's in very good condition. However, the only thing that we can find wrong with it is it's missing the drive pulley for the motor and the gearbox. The gearbox spins freely. The motor operates. We'll show you that in a minute. And there's a small ding right down here on the rear of the base. We check the coolant pump. The coolant pump operates. All the other mechanical functions operate well as the electrical. And we're just going to fire it up for you. So as you can see, the motor is turning. It's pre-wired 110 volt, 1 horsepower. Has a hydraulic down feed. And as the down feed goes down, it shuts the machine off. As we said, we tested the coolant pump. It operates very nicely. Overall, it's in very good condition. It's very clean. Also includes the pulley guards. Has 4 casters with the axles. Has a vertical cutting plate. And also included is the instruction manual and parts manual. And you can order the pulleys that are missing from ENCO.